Hello, today I am going to discuss about therapeutic relationship, that is patient nurse relationship or healthcare workers, those who give care to the patient. It is very important relationship. It should be keep in mind this relationship is not a informal relationship, it's a purely formal and therapeutic relationship. So one by one we will discuss what is nurse patient relationship, what are the criteria we should keep in mind, what are the limitations we should keep in mind for this type of relationships. Okay, first we should know what is interpersonal relationship. It is interpersonal relationship means relationship between two persons. Okay, that is relationship either between nurse and patient, or nurse and other staff member, or nurse with the other stream members. This all comes under interpersonal relationship. The component of interpersonal relationship, it should be scientific. It should be based on scientific principle. That means if nurses are working in a hospital, that time if she is making any type of relationship with the patient or any other person related to the hospital staff, so it should be scientific method. Okay, she should keep in mind it should be scientific. Okay, that I will tell how. Then specific communication strategy should be maintained. There she should maintain specific strategy for communication. Then she should create herself enriched with knowledge and skill. Then only she can do better nurse-patient relationship. Okay, so how nurse-patient relationship start? Nurse-patient relationship start with orientation. Nurse must know about her patient, what patient is doing, and what patient's expectation. According to that, she should plan the care, how she has to give care to the patient. The important thing is doctors. What doctors do? Doctors give treatment to the patient. Not they will directly contact with the patient, but only they will prescribe the treatment and carried out by the nurses. Nurses give the medicines. Nurses explain how to take medicine, what are the indication, what are the contraindication, what are the precautions he has to take, what type of diet he has to take. Everything explained by the nurses only. So I feel nurses are more close to the to the patients. Okay, so how she has to maintain the patient relationship here? How can we become a good patient nurse relationship? Nurse should be empathetic. She should give value to the patient. Even patient should value to nurse. Okay, then she should not discriminate any caste, creed, beliefs. Okay, and according to her experience and her expectation, she should communicate with the patient. It is very important criteria. Then what are the requisite for the nurse-patient relationship? Careful thinking. Whenever we contact with any patient, we should carefully think about that patient, his age, his gender, patient's level of thinking, everything we should keep in mind. Then sensitivity, especially for the when we are dealing with the small children or elderly person, that time also we have to keep in mind we should be sensitive. Then we should have full energy. हमको जो भी बात करना है, it should be full energetic. We should be energetic. That time, then only patients will understand what we are going to say. Then time. We should take time to interact with the patient. If suppose patient is taking food, that time we are going to start our interaction. That time it will not be more effective. Okay, so it should be keep in mind the time. And the time should be fixed for the patient. For interacting, the time should be fixed. Then what is the role of this nurse? What she will do in front of patient when she is giving care? The patient must know that nurse is a caregiver. She can give care. She can counsel the patient. She can give better education. She can consult the patient. Even she can do research. Research she can do it. Okay. So as I told, doctor prescribe medicines, but remaining thing should be carried out by nurse only. Okay, so next we will see characteristics of good nurse-patient relationship. Again, I want to say that nurse-patient relationship is purely therapeutic one. It should be scientific one. Nurse should be empathetic. Patient should be satisfied. Whatever nurse is saying, patient should be satisfied. When patient will satisfy? When nurse having knowledge, experience as well as good attitude, then only nurse can patient can understand. And according to her knowledge, her experience, she should communicate with the patient. Then she should provide, and during she should, when she is communicating with the patient, that time she must give holistic care to the patient. Holistic care means physical, mental, social, intellectual, spiritual, every type of care should be given to the patient. And she should be more active, her attitude should be good, she should be rich with the knowledge. If suppose patient is suffering from COVID-19, that time nurse must understand what is COVID-19, what are the signs, symptoms, what are the treatment, how alternative treatment can be given, what are the precautions can be given. All these things nurse must know it, then only she should communicate with the patient. So it is a reciprocal relationship between nurse and patient, it is purely therapeutic. Now we will discuss phases of nurse-patient relationship. First is pre-interaction phase, second is engagement phase, third is active intervention phase, fourth is termination phase. Pre-interaction phase में what nurses will do, nurses will understand about her patient and her goal, why she is going to interact with that patient. Then she should for that what she will do, she will read about the patient condition, patient age, patient socio-economic status. Before interacting everything she will read about the patient. ठीक है, सो उसका कैसा ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है, क्या ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है, कब समटाइम पेशेंट में हेजिटेट, वो HIV पॉजिटिव पेशेंट होगा, एवरीथिंग शी शुड कीप इन माइंड. देन सेकंड एंगेजमेंट फेज. इन दिस फेज शी शुड प्लान and she has to reduce the anxiety of herself and anxiety of the patient. And what she will do, she will introduce herself, अपना introduction देगी, then she take introduction from the patient and why she is there, what are her responsibility, what are the purpose, everything should be clear to the patient. Then in engagement phase, when she is giving introduction or when she is observing the patient, that time she must observe the patient from top to bottom, okay, and she must understand the fear, discomfort of the patient and what patient is expecting. Everything should be included in therapeutic relationship, okay. Then active involvement. In active involvement, if patient told that I have suffering from such a problem, physical problem, maybe psychological problem, whatever the problem is there, nurse's responsibility is to try to solve this problem, give the right direction to the patient and give the proper advice to the patient, so patient will be deeply satisfied, okay. Then next is the termination phase. It is very important that after therapeutic relationship this termination phase is mandatory, okay. Patient must understand that very soon the termination period will come. That time it may be painful for the nurse as well as for the patient, okay. So in the beginning itself, nurse must say to the patient, this is for the temporary phase, it is only for the therapeutic, it is not the informal relationship. Termination phase, in termination phase she must give proper health talk, health advices before discharge from the patient. So these are all about the nurse-patient relationship. Every nurse must understand the therapeutic relationship and a nurse should be empathetic, not sympathetic. हम sympathetic कब होते हैं? With the family members, not with the patient. If patient having any problem, we have to try to solve it. That is empathetic, है ना? So we should have empathetic relationship with the patient and we should have therapeutic relationship with the patient, especially when they are having opposite gender patient. Okay, this is all about the nurse-patient relationship that comes under therapeutic relationship. Thank you.